Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, is a vibrant and charming place offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Set amidst the picturesque scenery of the Caucasus Mountains, Tbilisi is becoming increasingly popular with tourists. These drone shots provide a unique way to experience the rich history and architectural beauty of Tbilisi from above. The scenery of Tbilisi is truly breathtaking. The city is set against a backdrop of rolling hills and the majestic Kura River flowing through its center. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views from various vantage points, such as the Narikala Fortress, or take a leisurely stroll through the charming streets. Tbilisi's tourism industry has flourished in recent years. Travelers are attracted by its warm hospitality, delicious cuisine, and vibrant nightlife.